Mark with Western Timber Frame, and today we're going to go over what you would attach our pergola systems to, a concrete slab or the footing structure that needs to be in place to attach it to. We're going to give a general overview because this is such a vast subject. We could go on and on about this for days. For example, an attached pergola would require a different footing system than a freestanding pergola system. So we're just going to give a general overview of what to expect or what to do in most cases for a pergola system. Of course, you're going to want to check with your state that you live in. From state to state, there's going to be a huge difference in what's required depending on snow load, the wind ratings, or earthquake ratings for the state that you live in. And we have found, even from city to city, there's a huge difference in what a building department will require for a footing system or even the permit process. Some cities will require a permit for anything you put in your backyard or attached to your house. Other cities have looked at our pergola systems as not a permanent structure, something that could be taken with you if you moved, and they have not required a permit. So check with your city to see what's required. Today we're going to give an example of situations that we have done in the past where a permit was not required. If a permit is required in your area, you're going to need to check with your building department, and they will define what your footing system will be. It will be called out by the city or by an engineer. Let's go take a look at what we've done in the past and give you an overview of footing systems and how to attach our pergola system.
Action.
This is one of our most simple situations for an installation. You have an existing 4-inch concrete slab already in place. You don't need footings for our pergola system since it's kind of an open roof structure and it doesn't hold a snow load. So no footings required. You got an existing 4-inch slab. We're going to go ahead and mount the posts to that. We'll go to a cut section of the posts. Here we can see the inside of the posts and our knife plate system that bolts to the concrete and attach the post to the concrete. In this situation, you don't want to use a standard stirrup that you can buy at the hardware store. They're not made for rough sawn timbers and they won't be the right size. We'll zoom in on this and get a look at this knife plate. This is an aluminum knife plate that we bolt to the concrete with a concrete wedge anchor here. That's what attaches it to the concrete. Then the post has a slot in the bottom of it and goes over this knife plate. We have a hole in there so that you can attach the post to the knife plate and keep it from lifting up if there was any uplift from wind. This is our most basic situation on how we would attach a pergola system. One note here, you do not want to use you don't want to use the stirrups that you can buy at a normal store like a Home Depot or anywhere. They're not made for rough sawn timbers, so you want to use these knife plates. They come with our kits, and if you have existing stirrups in place, they will not work.